Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to another reaction video, and today we are finally going to react to StrayKids interview with Puppies. It's been so long since we waited for this interview. Like on Twitter, I remember everyone was like, where, when, and we finally get it. So I'm really happy, really excited about this. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. By the way, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more, because yeah, it helps me and makes me happy, and I love interacting with you guys. If it's not on YouTube, I like interacting with you guys on Twitter, so yeah. So let's directly jump in. They look cute here. Hot, cute, whatever you want to say. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, StrayKids.
Good everyone, it's your boy Bang Chan. Woo!
Hey, Bang Chan.
What? Okay, you're adults.
in the studio.
Oh,
Hey,
singing in
sing in the
the
studio. Oh.
Person Hyunjin.
Hey.
Hello, Felix.
Yes.
Hello, I'm Ian.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Han. Hashtag love puppies.
Yeah, hashtag love puppies.
Lino. I'm Changbin.
Hey, Changbin.
And we are going to be doing an interview
Yes.
with BuzzFeed.
Are you guys ready, puppies?
Why you
I talk like that to my cat and my dog too, and they're used to it. But sometimes they look at me like, what are you doing? But yeah.
Oh my
Look,
god!
let me see. Oh, hi. Hello. So cute. Okay, so active. Okay, it's puppies. Oh, look, the brown one is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. The black one is wild. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, troublemaker.
Oh, no!
Yes, it's so cute. Like, what's your favorite song? Let's see. Don't be no. Hey, that's my hey. They're so distracted by the puppies. They don't even. So Bang Chan is so distracted by the puppies that he don't even answer. Like, Han took the role. That's me. Two. Hidden talents. Let's see. Oh, the baby looks like it. Sorry.
Oh, you can really. It's dog language. 숨겨진 재능 있는 사람이 있어. 나는
Like everyone, when they talk to an animal, they're like, oh, hi, hello, you're so cute. Like, our voice sounds way higher.
I like making my own computer and like
Oh my god.
pipes and screws.
You're incredible. Slap.
Well, he's in a slump right now.
Oh,
with
that's so
puppies?
cute.
Playing with puppies.
Play with puppies and
Oh.
members and don't fight. Hang out
That's
with friends,
really British.
watching movies.
It's okay.
Wow, they're really healthy.
Yeah, I think it is good before going out to perform.
Stretching.
Fighting! Stretching. Yeah, we saw this on, for example, Skid Stalker or
We
whatever.
go on stage and say like, oh, you know, let's do well today and let's not get hurt.
Chan is...
Yeah, a way of cheering.
Oh, Lino! I think Lino wants the puppy, but he can't have it. Doesn't matter. Oh.
Yeah, we always never change.
Oh!
Yeah.
Always have sex.
We love you too, StrayKids. Always, StrayKids, always say. Say, StrayKids are one. Pretty been. Oh, let me see.
Filming elevator music video.
It was
It's
fun?
actually that was not fun, but
Yes.
Yeah, experience. Yeah.
our first music video.
Crazy dumb stories.
수박, my watermelon. 나 수박 너무 좋아.
My coffee machines are getting upgrades.
Oh.
He has his own personal coffee machine, and
we're using it all together.
Besides me.
Oh yeah, Felix don't drink
controls.
coffee.
So
Like,
difficult to
Chance
control.
do don't drink coffee, right?
So until now, I'm not using it.
Oh, look at
Puppies?
Yeah.
Yes, like cute guys.
For loving puppies.
human puppies.
friend.
Kind of sound like a
인생
furry
친구.
thing, but
You
yeah.
guys know life friend?
Oh.
called 인생 친구, and it's really have
I can see that they're
Me.
like just
Like that.
really friends, like best friends, really
StrayKids.
close to
Yeah.
each other. Oh,
Palms Hejima, slip now. Eat more. Yeah, drink milk. Please. What's wrong with you?
because they are not that tall compared to other idols.
Doing the audition when you're
Oh.
17 years old.
Oh yes.
And you guys start swimming, okay? Soon.
Okay.
Show your shoulder and
You
your
okay
back
like that,
muscles, okay?
Han? You look amazing like that right now. Oh, that jokes. Okay, I love that joke.
Banks so wide because they're filled with common sense.
That was funny. You can tell me this is not funny. It is funny. You remember?
Oh, really?
Why did I knew it? I knew it.
And small hand.
Yeah. Small hand.
I knew it. What's a workout routine?
Monday, chest. Tuesday, back.
Monday is chest. Tuesday is back. Wednesday is shoulder.
Oh.
And Thursday is leg.
I skip leg day.
Oh, Tenny.
I mean, I already did a collaboration with Dion and something, and that song is called No Problem. Later on in the future, I guess for fun, I will probably sing.
Oh my god.
So cute. Come here.
Art was my friend. It feels like being happy.
Makes you happy.
Oh yeah, I can.
My favorite
feel that.
art color.
Why are you eating
by
his shoe?
flowers with oil.
I mean, it's a puppy.
I love ocean. So
Oh, you like
Oh.
yeah. Oh my god.
Brandon can't concentrate because he's biting on his shoe.
Okay.
You
tell me
guys
time.
must watch that K-drama, the called 또해요. It's really
Oh.
fun, and I made a song about that
Oh, really?
yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh,
Oh,
and
Oh.
I will show you
so
one
we
day.
are going
Thank
to have a
you.
song in 2 years. Oh, Sungmin rapper! Hey!
You have to rap.
my future plan is to beat Han and Changbin.
Oh!
I have a big plan.
Yeah,
Please.
indeed. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, Sungmin.
제 생각은 있습니다. 다음 곡은 약간 막내 원탑과 다른 느낌.
Because Magna Top was above. It's still above though. How many are in this song? Oh, 100.
Thousands.
Oh,
Yeah.
thousand?
200.
We have a lot. StrayKids demos, there's still a lot that we haven't released.
Yeah.
But then not only just, StrayKids team songs.
Yeah.
There's also, demos that, the members have made individually, which haven't been out yet. You're a machine, aren't you?
We are here to hear it. Done. Get distracted so fast. Go orange.
One day I just want to travel this whole world.
Oh, by the way, Han, exactly. France, Spain.
Sad.
You know, just Europe in general, because I'm not gonna tell every country. We waiting for StrayKids.
I need to invite you guys too.
We're waiting.
I feel like Tommy is
Like South America, wait too for you. Oh my god.
I wanna make.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
이번 연도에
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
He want to produce his own song.
I wouldn't say it's a goal, but if I ever get the chance, I'd love to raise my own dog.
Oh, Barry, we're gonna be jealous.
You little munchkin, come here.
What's the name that impacts your life? I would say Slam for me and 잘하고 있어. Oh, yeah. This song makes me a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Raw.
sentimental. Like I cried a lot to this song.
I like the song that Han wrote. Slum.
Anyway, we are too much alike. Slump is really. I cried to this song a lot too. Tell me where. Oh, the puppy and the
그때야 그 감수성이 내 최고점에 있을 때여서 가사가 잘 써집니다.
Oh, I can't do that too. Usually I work on night because I feel more like this. I'm a night person.
Relaxed, so maybe that might be why.
It's so playful.
Oh my. Oh yes, yes. Tell me. I want to know this.
Wow, that's a good question.
Yes, that's a good one, really.
I hope so.
I mean, we don't have any plans yet, but who knows? Maybe we could.
Yeah, we can release WoW 2.
Oh my gosh.
지사.
정신 없어 있어요.
저기요 누나 혹시 남자친구 있어요?
Give me a freestyle right? Oh, I want to see.
What you got?
Hey, let's go.
아까 마신 커피 보다
에이.
더 귀여운 우리 퍼피.
감사합니다. 부끄러워요. Ha, you get the better. It was cute though. It was cute. Hey.
Playing with BuzzFeed, playing with Puppies.
Oh.
I'm so lucky. Hey. It was so great.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, it was actually good.
He's so red.
Felix, it's okay. It's okay. We watch any. Oh my gosh.
Oh yes.
Of course, the recent one that we, I guess, shared by ourselves, it was the one where we were so synchronized.
Oh.
That did the
We are
same
not.
Action, like,
Oh
same
my
action.
gosh.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That's the end of us. It's fine. Oh my gosh. Oh, what think happened when your dog meet each other?
Mama is really big and huge.
Oh, really?
Powerful.
What do you know?
Gami don't like other puppies.
Yeah. Barry thinks that she's a person. We think they're a dog pup, but then she get really scared, so she like only stay with us. She doesn't like other dogs, I think.
Yeah. Sorry. Watch Barry's back into it before. I did, by the way.
Please play with me.
How about you? I think yes. For them. Obviously.
Oh, 방탄선미님 선배님들도.
맞아.
Yeah.
Oh, Chris Evans.
Ooh.
Chris Evans.
Recently came out.
But Tom Holland was my favorite. Tom Holland was my favorite.
Wasn't there Stranger Things?
뛰는 거 봐.
Yeah, I've seen that one.
Where you name this puppy? Oh, interesting.
Definitely Maniac.
Maniac.
I'm gonna call you
Maniac.
Maniac. How's that, huh? Yeah, you can be called Maniac. You like that name, don't you?
녀석 맞은 것처럼 미쳐 매니아.
His name is Maniac. 얘 좀 용감하게 지어주자. 얘 겁이 많으니까.
Boxer.
Bone
Boxer.
Boxer.
Oh yeah.
Boxer.
Yeah.
쟤는 뭔가 세상을 쉽게 사는 거 같으니까 이지로 하자.
좋아. 이지 이 친구.
이지로 하자.
Easy.
너 미로 할
Easy. Yeah. Yoshi
Maniac.
is the
And then we
dog.
have Easy.
Are we gonna have
This
this
guy
guy?
is Miro. Miro? Yeah.
Okay, is he? What's in this interview? Yeah, the puppy.
Puppies and 분위기 is really free.
Looking at them and then kind of like them resembling us, I think that.
Yeah, I
is
think
kinda
the puppy
memorable, I think.
resembles.
Oh, it's very
Yeah,
dark.
don't you?
Because they're so
What are you doing?
chaotic. But then if you look at us, we're really
Oh
chaotic
no.
too.
Yoshi.
Unstoppable.
Thank you, BuzzFeed.
Thank you so much.
I mean, we had such a great time.
Yeah.
I had a great time
we've
too
always
watching
wanted
it.
to try a puppy interview. So all these puppies are adoptable at North Shore Animal League, America.
Since I don't live in America, I
Please
don't.
adopt them
I
and
can't
please show them a lot
adopt
of love.
this.
Please look
puppies,
forward to what
whatever.
we're coming up with next, alright? So see you next time.
See you next time. Thanks so much.
Maniac, thank you. Bye.
Come here, Maniac.
Lino got one. Oh. I don't know who is cuter, the puppy or Felix. So yeah, that was it for this video. Like I said, It was really cute, really funny. Like, I do laugh a lot. I'm sorry, but it was funny. I hope you enjoy this reaction video. See you on the next reaction video. That's gonna be mystery. It's a secret, not really a secret, but whatever. See you next video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe for more, and see you. Bye.